Hi, it's Michelle, stylist here at White & Co, and today we're going to be talking about the best-selling Ralph Denim Jogger. We're going to be going through the sizing, the fit, and how we're going to style and what to wear with them. So let's start with the fit. Okay, so I'm normally a standard size 8 and I'm 168 centimeters tall as well. I've got the size small on. Now they say in the fit notes that the small is a 6 to 8 and then the medium is an 8 to 10. So I could fit in both. I'm going to show you both sizes. This is a size small. They're a really soft denim, so they will give a bit. So although they feel a bit snug at the beginning, I know that they're probably going to give, but if I want a more of a tighter, more fitted look, then I would definitely go for the small. So I'm going to try the medium on and we can see the difference. Okay, so I've got the medium on now, and as you can see, it doesn't really look that much different, but I can really feel that there is a little bit more room, probably just all over. So I can fit in both, but I think this one's just a bit more of a relaxed fit. Okay, what are we going to wear with them? How are we going to style them? I always think you can't go wrong with a classic white tee. You can wear long sleeve tops. You can also pair them up with something a bit different. A classic look here is a shirt. You can really dress this up. I love also just relaxing, layering it up with a tank, and then just finishing it off with a really comfy crew as well. All these looks will work and they'll go through all seasons. You'll find all of the Ralph joggers and everything else I've been talking about online or in store at whiteandco.com.au.